Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So today I'm going to do a bunch of Orcust combos using the new card. So let's get started. Right now I'm going to do the first one is going to be the worst one you could possibly do, which is with the connector. So you summon a connector, assuming you don't have Ash Blossom. They don't have Ash Blossom, pardon me. You special summon Aqua Dolphin. There we go. You link 2 into, where is it? Isold. That was weird. Anywho, Isold's effect activates. You'll search for a monster. It really doesn't matter which one you search for, to be honest. So, then you send 4 equip spells that aren't DDR, and that is Phoenix Blade. And 4, and then you special summon Armageddon Knight from the deck. You use Armageddon Knight's effect, send Destrudo from the deck to the grave. And then of course this goes back to the top of the deck if it's one of the cards you picked. So anyway, you pay half your life points, special summon Destrudo from the deck. And then you put this at the bottom, this to the grave, you synchro for 7. For Powerful Dragon. Yeah, Powerful Dragon in 2019. 2020 actually. You use Powerful Dragon to search for 1, 2. Where's the third one? You would fill 3 DDRs and add DDR to your hand. That's why you play Powerful Dragon, just to get to the DDR. You banish 2 warriors, Armageddon Knight and 1 other. Doesn't matter if you banish Aqua Dolphin or not, because you'll eventually both of them will end up banished. You add back DDR. You add back Phoenix Blade. You use DDR, discard Phoenix Blade, special summon Armageddon Knight. Armageddon Knight will send Blackwing Zephyros to Elite to the grave. Blackwing Zephyros to Elite will pay 400. You will bounce back the DDR, special summoning Blackwing Zephyros to Elite. And Armageddon Knight, of course, will fall to the graveyard because the equipped spell card is no longer equipped to it. Because, game mechanics. You banish the Armageddon Knight and the other card that you didn't earlier to add back Phoenix Blade. Again, you use this, discard this, and again, special summon Armageddon Knight. Because, why not? Armageddon Knight effect will activate now. And you will send Orcust Nightmare. Remember, this was all just one card to stop all of this madness. You banish Orcust Nightmare. And you will send Orcust Hop Horror. You banish Horror to special summon this. The new Night Orcust Cthulhu effect will activate now, and you will send your Orcust Campbell. Then you will link 2 with these into Galatea. Galatea will activate, shuffling back one of your Orcust monsters that you banished. Actually, it can be any machine. It doesn't even have to be a dog, whatever. And you'll second Crescendo. Then you will overlay into him. Believe it or not, that can actually make him. He's actually a dog, so I was like really looking for a good dog for to make off of this for this combo, and this is the only one I could think of. So he's pretty. Then you will link 2. That goes brave. You will link 3, pardon me, into this. You will banish this, special summon her, and then overlay into this. And that will be your ending board. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that you still have 5 cards in hand. Then, so yeah, you end up with 5 cards in hand and then a full Orcust combo plus this. So this one is you use Fishing of Bion. You can also use Omega Knight or Dark Rapper and another Dark ones in here. So I'm not gonna sit here and do the every single one of these combos. So Fishing of Bion will send Malicious. This is the best one, best Orcust combo that I ever came up with. These are all combos that I came up with myself. Not that, net deck, anything is bad. I mean, it's bad, but not the reason people think. Anyway, link 2. Isolde effect activates. You will search for a Dark Warrior, I guess connector. The only thing here is that you want Armageddon Engrave. So, you send this. So anyway, you can get it there, it's fine. 2, 3, and yes, I play 6 spell cards to send off of the because I don't want to not have them in my deck. Plus some of them go back to the deck if need be. It's pretty good. So anyway, Armageddon Knight activates. It's pretty much the same combo from here for right now. Just shoot out. But you'll see. Wait, what? My apologies. I forgot to reset life. Pay 4,000. Just shoot out. Sync. Power tool. Resolve the effect of power tool. Add back DDR. I mean, not add back, add DDR. This goes to the bottom of my deck. My apologies, I keep doing that. Banish. Banish. Definitely don't want to banish malicious for DDR. I mean, for the Phoenix Blade. This. It kind of doesn't matter if you use malicious or not. Like, if you use malicious first or this first, it doesn't actually change the combo at all. It's fine if you do it like this. I just like using malicious to get it out of the way. Send this to the grave. Wait, why is this banished? I keep doing that. Banish malicious. Just, to get it out of the deck. Special malicious. Wait, what? It's like super laggy. There we go. Anywho, special summon. Pay 400. Bounce this back. Send that to the grave. From here, you will link 4. Actually, you'll link 3. Well, link 4 using 3 boxes. You actually need that on field. Actually, you might not need it on field anymore. I don't think you do. You banish Armageddon Knight and the Guest Malicious to add back this. You use this. Send this to the grave. Special Armageddon Knight. Armageddon Knight. Send Nightmare. Nightmare banished. Summon him. Send him. Banish him. And summon him. It actually doesn't matter if it's in defense or whatever. His effect will activate. You'll send this to the grave. Link 2. Galatea. Shuffle back. Then set Crescendo. So it actually does matter. You actually do need this. My apologies. So that's just one less count on this. That's fine. So anyway, you link 3. I'm still trying to figure out all of the stuff with this new card. Link 3 into this. You banish this. Special summon her. And I'm sure like there's better ways to do the same thing. I'm just not thinking about it. I'm just doing what I know already. And then if you wanted to be very fancy about it, you can banish this. And banish this, add back this. So you will actually end with 6 cards in hand. 3, 4 negates, 2 protections from destruction, and 6 cards still in hand to do it next time. So that's just a couple of Orcust combos. I only have like 3 minutes left, so I don't think I have time to show y'all the last combo, and I haven't figured it out yet anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed them. Subscribe, what you think in the comments below. I'll catch you guys later. This is Jinzo saying out. Bye.